Hey everyone, so welcome to another House Karaan Family Adventure video. This is Daddy Lester and this time, gala naman tayo sa Okada, Manila. This is actually Kaylee's 6th birthday celebration and last year yon nag-Jollibee kiddie party kami and this time, she kasi sobrang nahilig na siyang mag-hotel, mas feel na nila yung staycation kaya pinigbigyan namin. Happy birthday, Ate Kaylee!
Happy birthday, Ate Kaylee!
And bago kami punta ng Okada, nag-lunch muna kami dito sa Max sa SLEX. Nagutom na yung mga kids. Medyo na-traffic kasi so mahaba-haba din yung biyahe. Pero for sure, sulit naman to kapag nakita nila kung gaano kaganda yung pupuntahan nila doon. Pagpasok mo ng Okada, of course, ang bubungad sa'yo yung lobby nila. Nandun na rin yung mga entrance papunta sa mga casino. Sure pa lang, you can feel the luxury and expensive yung place. And obviously, yung mga tinitinda nga dito, yung mga branded na clothes, mga stores, mga different luxury brands talaga makikita mo dito.
The room.
How do you find the room, Mila? Do you turn left or turn right?
The way I like your turn left.
Turn left?
I found the milk. You like it.
Do you find the food section?
I want.
Ayan, enjoy na enjoy sila. Ang ganda ng bathtub dito, ang ganda ng room. Ito naman yung gusto talaga nila eh. Aside from the swimming, aside from the chill, talagang na-enjoy ng mga bata yung amenities dito. What are you drawing, Mila?
I'm drawing your day. That's my paper. That's my drawing. That's my drawing.
Okay.
That's Ate Kaylee.
Isa din sa highlight talaga dito yung fountain. Ito ng gabi naman, of course, inabangan lagi sa Okada itong dancing fountain. Yan, ganda-ganda. Ito talaga yung isa din sa highlights. Kaya kapag punta kayo dito, maganda umabot kayo ng gabi para abutan nyo to.
Do you know the family? It's like a daddy finger, a mommy finger, just like a Ate Kaylee finger, and Camilla finger, and Ate Bella fingers one. The finger family is
Yan, medyo may kamahalan din naman talaga yung room. Talagang kailangan maghanap ng good deal para ma-avail tong mga rooms dito. Dito you'll see the infrastructure kung di pa kayo nakapunta. Ayan. Ito yung part na public. Dito maraming stall, maraming iba-ibang restaurants and cafes.
Daddy, I saw a map here in this hotel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can see the map, medyo malaki din talaga yung place. Pero yung the rest of the areas, of course, yung hotel and then itong super luxurious na lobby nila where you can find the entrance for the casino.
Wow, I love this magical place. I want to do a lot of adventures.
And si Kaylee, enjoy na enjoy talaga siya. And ito naman yung request niya talaga eh. Ito naman si Camila. Pinilaro niyo yung iPad na ito yun, kinokontrol niya yung lights, kinokontrol niya yung blinds, kinokontrol niya yung mga entertainment, yung TV, yung internet, facilities ng room.
I win. I win. Wow. Thank you. Makada.
Mugada.
Didn't play. Don't play.
Ganito, laro na laro yung mga kids. Na-enjoy talaga nila yung room. Even yung si Ate Bella at si Kuya PJ, enjoy na enjoy din sila dun. Ayan, nag-skincare sila dun sa laking bathroom. Mula naman sa room namin, yung tanaw-tanaw yung swimming area, yung swimming pool.
I want to be in the next one. It's gonna be a water park. I love to swim. Okay, I'm gonna use the tablet to go there. I wanna go there swimming pool.
Ayan, maya-maya nagyaya ng mga kids na mag-swimming. At ito naman talaga ang isa gusto nila whenever we do staycation. Ayan na nga, swim time na yung mga kids. May extra bayad pa actually yung pagpunta dito. Pwede rin yata yung day tour dito eh. Pasok lang kayo ng Okada, even if you're not checked in as a guest. Punta lang kayo sa swimming pool, then you can pay and then pwede na rin mag-swim.
Get a picture with your dad.
Itong aming si Baby Camila, dati takot to sa elevator, ngayon pwede na siya, hindi na siya takot. From time to time, bumababa kami doon sa room para kumain, para i-check din yung mga facilities. And later, of course, yung pinaka-highlight ng punta talaga ng mga kids dito is yung paglalaro nila dito sa Okada Play.
It's a magical tablet. This tablet can bring us to different places. Okay, let's press 1. Did I play? Okay, let's press it.
ito na nga, enjoy na enjoy si Kaylee at si Camila sa Playland, sa Okada Play. Ito na talaga yung request nila. Madalas na rin silang mag-Kidzuna, yung mga iba-ibang Playland, pero yan, para ma-try naman nila iba. Kasi ito, medyo may mga ibang attraction dito. Yung may parang bank, mayroong parang supermarket, mayroong school, and parang play pretend. Oh no! Because you destroyed it. You know how to? So that's it for a short but sweet Okada experience. If you are looking for a new place to do staycation, then this is definitely an option. Madalas sa probinsya kami nag-staycation, pero this time tinry naman namin sa city. Madalas na rin naman makita sa social media na talagang maganda dito. And I think sulit naman siya. One tip is talagang try and get promos, especially if you big group, can get expensive really quickly. May mga nakukuha ding mga promos, social media, sa mga groups. I suggest you check those out. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And again, on behalf of House Karan and Mommy Bell, my name is Daddy Lester, and see you sa next one. Bye-bye.
Into this beautiful hotel.
Happy birthday, Kaylee!